Hi friends, I hope you're doing well and that your day is going smoothly. We're back again with a new video, and today, as always, we're here to analyze the world of cryptocurrency together. We'll begin our discussion by focusing on Bitcoin, which is widely regarded as the leading cryptocurrency and often serves as a benchmark for the rest of the market. As I mentioned before, we were expecting the possibility of a running flat pattern to develop on the daily chart. This is a particular type of corrective structure that traders and analysts pay close attention to when evaluating price movements. The structure you see here is made up of three main waves, typically labeled as an A wave, a B wave, and so on, which helps us better understand the current market situation. There you go. So let's now take a careful look together at what level we've reached so far. We're not far from the level that I have been waiting for. In fact, we even touched for a brief moment $91,500. This is a significant milestone, and it shows just how close we are to reaching the target I've been anticipating, which is potentially a significant reversal level to come back in the market and break the top. So right now we're potentially in a zone where we might see a reversal to the upside. That's the first scenario. On the other hand, if Bitcoin keeps dropping like this and breaks through $73,500, then there won't be any more running and it will be a different structure. For now, things are looking pretty good. I see a relatively small end of the structure right here, meaning a potential zone for a reversal. We're seeing a loss of momentum on this move, on this drop. We can see there's divergence on the MACD, so be careful about a possible reversal. Why not look for buy setups? Personally, I'm looking for buy setups on Bitcoin. So, ideally, in this particular scenario, it would actually need to break through the significant level of $93,700 and give us a flat or a flag so that we can continue the push forward for the team. So keep an eye on Bitcoin for a buy setup in the coming days. Next, Ethereum. Ethereum, last time we said we were expecting a drop. That's why there's a red arrow actually, that this was corrective and we were expecting a drop. So that's been confirmed. Now here we can also see that Ethereum is giving us an end of structure. The movement here is losing steam. It's losing strength. So we clearly have a divergence as well. So this big move here could just be a retracement before the continuation. Or we might get a bigger flat, meaning a B here, like this, before we get the continuation. For now, it's better to look for a buying setup for Ethereum. Next, we have NIR. It has retraced its push here nicely. However, we can see it's losing momentum and the structure is rounding off. Potentially, there could also be a reversal for a bullish continuation. Personally, I'm already in the trade. It broke its last high here. Right now, it's flagging, so it looks like it wants to keep pushing up. So why not also look for a buying setup here? That's it for today. If you have any questions or cryptocurrencies you'd like me to analyze, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to take a look. So I wish you a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.